Hey guys, this is Regina. Today I'm going to show some tips and tricks on how to put your room back to order. So after a week of school, your room probably looked like this. Different wardrobe or drawers in their homes, and I have this type of drawer that I got from IKEA. I have 4 drawers in total, and I just kind of categorize my clothes by its type. So here I have a drawer for my t-shirts and my long sleeve shirts, and I have my PJ drawers and workout outfit. And I also have this drawer for my sweaters and this one for my pants. So I realized the most efficient way of organizing your wardrobe is to categorize your clothes by its own categories. And also this type of container, I also got it from IKEA. It's very useful for your like accessories, or for example your socks, your underwears, and your like little bags and so on, and your belt of course. And then now I'm gonna show you how to fold your clothes. My favorite method is from Marie Kondo, and I'm gonna show you how to do it with different type of clothes. So you can kind of adjust the height of your fold so that it can fit into your drawer. And now everything is very neat and organized. Since we're all working from home now, it's very important for us to have a clean and welcoming desk. I wouldn't put too many things on it just because I don't want to be distracted. So the most important thing I would put is my coffee mug that keeps me going in the morning. I will also put my notebook and also my laptop, of course. Probably that's it. And in terms of phone, I wouldn't put it on the desk because I don't want any notification to distract me. I will put it on my side table or in the basket so that it's not too far from me. So if there's any emergency calls or any tasks I need to respond immediately, I can still have access to it. But I don't want it to be on my table where I have to where I can't help myself to constantly stare at it. So it's very helpful to have a little basket or a side table on the side of your desk. And the reason why I have this is because our desk isn't too big, so there are a lot of stuff doesn't go onto the desk. And this is actually quite messy, but it's okay because these are all the paper and notebook that I use temporarily, and I'll probably need to use them quite often as well. And another benefit of having this basket next to the desk is because you can kind of store your cords, like for example your charger for laptop and your phone charger. in the basket, because like you're gonna probably use it like a few hours later, so you don't have to like put them away, but it's nice to have some sort of storage next to your desk so that they can have a temporary space to stay. So let's talk about how to better organize your books. A lot of people like to organize their books by facing the spine of book towards the front. However, there's just so many colors and it actually looks messy for me, so this is how I would do it. If you want to be more playful, this is what you can do. You can pick a few books that you like, especially the colors, and then kind of flip them around. So let's do red. There, then you kind of give them a little bit more color. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and have a comfortable working space at home. Bye!